Hey mates, what's up? In this video I'm gonna show you how to restore Wi-Fi password or any password without a word list, but try any possible combination using ERC and Crunch. Basically we let Crunch generate any possible combination and dump it directly into ERC. The advantage of that is that you don't need to create a word list on your hard drive. You do it on the fly and it will save a lot of space on your hard drive, but it can take a while. Some password can take even a couple of days, but it will try any possible combination depend on the keys on the option you will provide. I will show you a couple of examples, and please bear in mind that I use 10 years old laptop with a VMware. If you use Kali natively with a modern laptop or PC, you probably get 10 times faster result. Unfortunately, ERC does not support a GPU, only CPU, but still it will be much faster, 5 to 10 times faster for sure, maybe more. Okay, so let's start. So this is the syntax. As you can see, you write crunch and then the minimum left 8 character until 11. It will start with 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. Totally like 4 words list. And then I gave all the alphabet combination and numbers, and it will dump all of those into ng command. And then you need the file .cap that contain the endpoint handshake, WPA or WPA2 handshake, then the MAC address of the access point -w-. Okay, let's start with a couple of tests I already run and I'll show you how to use it. So in the first scenario, I didn't have any pre-exist intel or intelligence about the password we want to. I assume it's between 8 to 11 combinations, and it contains small letter and numbers. So let it run and see how long it will take us to cook it. It's quite simple password. You can see the amount of data is we create. It's like getting to thousands of petabytes. So that's the beauty of this method. It doesn't take any hard drive space, but it's take long time. Okay, password has been cooked. Now let's try to save some time by narrowing the options that we have. In the second scenario, I already know that the password is a phone number between 8 to 11 digits, so it will narrow the option, and I use only numbers in my input. Let's see how it works. Okay, with password, it was 8-digit phone number, and it took it above an hour. It was only 8 digits because I didn't want it to take so long, but you got the point. In the next scenario, I had a pre-existing knowledge that the password contained only small letters. It's probably a name of a person between 8 to 11 digit, because WPA usually it's minimum 8 digit. So let's see how it's going. You can see that the password, that the key combination will wait more than almost 2 terabytes. Okay, so after almost an hour with the password, I choose a very simple name that starts with AA and without capitals letter in order to get fast. In the next example, I knew that use her name, and it's Abby, ABBY, and a number, but I didn't know the number. So I will enter ABY and all the numbers. But if I knew the number and not the name, for example 1999, I will enter 19 and all the letters options, but it will take much more time. So for this example, we will use the first example, ABY and the numbers. As you can see, the password is Abby 1999. So I hope you got the idea. Basically, the longer the password is and the more combination it have, it will take longer. If you add capital letters and special character, it's take ages. Run the command man man space crunch and you see all the options it provides. It's a great tool, crunch. And the next tutorials I'll show how to use a GPU password. I'll get my hand on some GPU, and thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, write in the comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. I like the video. If you enjoy, have a good day. Cheers.